Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Friday, January 24th. What do we see here in the Russell? Well, first we had some fundamentals out there, as we talked about in the advanced video, that really shaped what you and I are going to be looking at right now. The Russell, the weakest out of the indices, different behavior than we saw in the other indices. What does this imply? It implies a sideways move or higher, and I'm looking for a stronger close as we go into the weekend. And if we take a look at what's going on with these currencies, let's see what's happening there in the Aussie dollar. It's firming up, which means the dollar's getting weaker. However, the structure is potentially bearish, so be cautious on the long side for that market. 10-year notes backing off a bit as yields firmed up a bit. I'm looking for a sideways move, though, going into the weekend. And when it comes to crude oil, sellers still seem to be present in this market, but we're slowing down on the short side. We have some fundamentals that's also driving these prices lower, but be cautious also on the short side. We're reaching levels that buyers have come in before. And in the wheat market, here's a market that I thought would have a chance for a rally. Fundamentally, we do see some support for this market, but it's a very neutral zone type trade. It did trade below its sell level. The dollar difference there is $350 a contract. But I want to point out, if we were a seller here, it only went a little bit in the favor of it before it traded up against it. And again, that's why risk management is always important for anyone, for any trade that we would establish. But what are we looking for here? I'm looking for an inside day. Overall bias for wheat is to the upside. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for sharing part of your day with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.